There are two versions of you, the one who dreams and the one who acts. In the next 7 days, we're going to awaken the version of you that wins. This is YUV's YOU, and it's time to choose your fighter. Believe me, if you follow my sentences, then you could find yourself schnogged in just 7 days. But you have to be consistent, honest, and strict to discipline. Day 1, confront the lazy you 03130. The first step isn't action, it's honesty. Grab a notebook. Write down exactly how you waste time every day. Name your lazy habits like anime villains. Give them power so you can defeat them. Awareness is your first sword. Day 2, morning rewrite. The battle begins at sunrise. Wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. Don't touch your phone. Instead, stretch, splash cold water, and repeat this line. I don't negotiate with weakness. Today, you rise. Day 3, the one tiny win rule. Lazy, you wants all or nothing. Strong, you knows one win matters. Just do a task that moves you forward. Study, clean, work out. Consistency builds the legend of you. Day 4, the distraction slayer. Anime heroes don't scroll Instagram mid-battle. Remove 3 distractions from your day apps, people, habits. Use focus mode. Silence the world. UVs, you need silence to win. Day 5, pain into power. Remember a moment you failed, felt regret, embarrassment. Good. Now feel it fully. Pain is your fuel. Champions burn it like rocket fuel. Today, push 10% harder than yesterday. Day 6, become the main character. Walk into a room like you own your story. Dress sharper. Sit taller. Repeat this. I am the main character of my life. Confidence is built in small moments. Stack them. Day 7, you win. You're not lazy. You were just untrained. 7 days ago, you were drifting. Today, you're moving with purpose. And this is just the beginning. If you felt something, don't scroll away. Comment, I see HOOSEME below, and hit subscribe, because the journey has just begun.